Hey techies, what's up? Fluffy from techbeatph.com. We're diving deep into the vivo Y29, a smartphone that's making serious waves with its insane battery endurance, rugged durability, and pro-level performance. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a heavy multitasker, this device promises to push your limits without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. Opening the box, we are greeted by the stylish vivo V29. The phone feels great in the hand. It feels premium and not at all heavy. The vivo Y29 is as stylish as it is powerful. It comes in two elegant finishes, marble white and espresso brownish, exuding a modern, minimalist vibe that looks amazing on social media. The box also comes with a gel case and the powerful adapter which gives you enough juice to charge the phone for uninterrupted gameplay. First up, let's talk power. The vivo Y29 is armed with a massive 6500 mAh BlueVolt battery. And when I say massive, I mean it's built to deliver hours of non-stop gaming or streaming even after countless full charge cycles. It still holds 80% of its capacity. This beast is engineered to last for up to 5 years. Plus, with 44W FlashCharge, a quick boost will have you back in action in no time. Imagine mid-game in Genshin Impact or Honkai Star Rail your battery slow, but in just minutes, you're recharged and ready to go. That's power and speed perfectly combined. Next, durability is key. The vivo Y29 comes with an IP64 rating, so it's designed to handle dust and splashes. Being caught in a sudden rain shower or hustling in a busy crowd won't leave your phone compromised. For all you social media fanatics and content creators, the vivo Y29's camera setup is killer. A 50MP main sensor paired with a 2MP depth sensor ensures you get detailed, vibrant photos even in low light, and an 8MP front camera means your selfies look top-notch. For gamers, the vivo Y29 truly delivers. Its 6500 mAh battery means marathon sessions of Genshin Impact, Honkai Star Rail, or Wuthering Wave without a hitch. And with dual stereo speakers providing a 400% volume boost, the audio experience is immersive. Every explosion, every musical beat, every in-game effect comes through crisp and clear. For those who require serious multitasking, the vivo Y29 won't disappoint. With a total of 16GB of RAM, 8GB standard, plus an extra 8GB extended it, powers through heavy apps and games without skipping a beat. The vivo Y29 packs a massive 6,500 mAh battery with rapid 44-watt flash charge and military-grade durability, making it perfect for non-stop gaming and everyday tasks. With smooth multitasking and advanced AI photography, it offers impressive performance at an affordable price, earning a solid silver rating overall. If you're passionate about the latest in tech, filmmaking, gaming, and digital innovation, this is the place to be. Help us reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year and be part of a growing community that dives deep into the future of technology. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Join the conversation, share your thoughts, and let's build something amazing together. Let's make this milestone happen. Once again, this is Fluffy. See you next time.